Lecture number 1 on matter in our surrounding. So, the first question is, what is a matter? Before we answer that question, have a look at this picture. What are these? These are living and non living things. So, we have many things, and all these things have mass and volume. The things that we saw in the picture have mass and volume, and all those things are made up of basic material called matter. So, what is its definition? So, its definition is matter is anything that has mass and volume. Now, let me ask you this: is sadness a matter or happiness a matter? Pause the video and try to answer this question. I am sure you must have got its answer by now. Those are not matters because they don't have mass, they don't have volume. Therefore, they are not matters. So, in short, we can say that whatever we see around us, be that a stone, plant, soil, sand, food, everything that we see around us is made up of matter. Now, early Indian philosophers and Greek philosophers classified this matter in five basic elements. And those five basic elements were air, earth, fire, sky, and water. These elements were called Panchatattva, and they said that everything that is present around us is made up of these five elements: air, earth, fire, sky, and water. However, modern day scientists classified matter into two types based on their physical properties and chemical properties. In this section, we will understand the physical properties of matter. We will understand chemical properties in next lessons. So, physical properties or physical nature of matter. So, in past, there were two schools of thought about nature of matter. Schools, opinion, and one opinion about the matter was it was continuous, like we have a sheet of paper or a wooden block. And the other one was that matter is made up of particles or it is particulate. So, to understand whether a matter is continuous like a sheet of paper or it is made up of particles, we have to discuss one simple activity. So, have a look at this picture. What do you see in the picture? So, in picture, you have salt and there is a glass having water in it, and salt is mixed with water. Now, if you do this, if you dissolve it, you can't see water in it. So, then where is water? The another thing is we can't even see the rise in water level in the glass. So, that? What is that supposed to mean? That means if the matter was continuous and if it was in this water, for example, if a piece of stone is kept in water, our observations are water level rises and stone is visible in the water. In this case, since salt is dissolved in water, we cannot see salt, we cannot even see the rise in water level. Therefore, we can say that matter is made up of particles. And now let's understand the size of particles. Have a look at this picture. This is potassium permanganate. Now, when this potassium permanganate is dissolved in water, the water's color become like this. Now, we will discuss this simple activity to understand the size of the particles. So, let's look at this picture. There are 6 glasses, and the first glass, you see that there is potassium permanganate in it, this one, that is mixed in it. Now what this man is doing is he is taking 10 ml of this solution and it is mixing it with the water which is in the next glass, which is 90 ml. He is again taking out 10 ml from this glass and adding in this water which is in the another glass, and he is doing the same thing with all these glasses and water in it. Your observation is this potassium permanganate or few crystals of potassium permanganate are coloring such large quantity of water. Based on this activity, we can say that such a tiny quantity of potassium permanganate, have a look at this picture, such a tiny quantity of potassium permanganate or few crystals of potassium permanganate can color such a large quantity of water. So, it means one crystal of potassium permanganate must have millions of particles in it. And these particles, when they are mixed with water, they keep on dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles. So, we conclude this by saying that the size of particle is very small, which is beyond our imagination. We will understand this in future videos. Till then, keep learning and enjoy my videos.